This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On Go MMT Radio, this is Badhai Ho, and I am with someone who's in Goa. Well, yeah, I know. When you hear the word Goa or the place Goa, of course, there are a lot of beautiful, dreamy beaches that you can think of, and a beautiful vacation that you'd want to spend by yourself or with your family or with your partner. But I'm speaking with someone who is based out of Goa. Her name is Vatsalya Vanapalli. Vatsalya, it's so nice to have you on the show.
Thank you so much, Annie, for having me, for inviting me.
Vatsalya, how long since you joined MMT?
It's been 2 months.
Just 2 months. So quickly tell me, how has it been so far?
1 month I've been in Gurgaon itself. So it's been exactly 1 month for me since I've moved to Goa. So first 1 month in Gurgaon have been like interacting with the central team and also taking part in the NHO, the immersion programs which the HR conduct. I am from an insurance background. I worked with HDFC Life earlier. So from insurance to this travel OTA industry, it's a major shift which I have come across. It was initially intimidating, see how quickly I'll be able to learn things, but people have made me feel very comfortable. They've been very helpful whenever I had any questions, any doubts. Like there were people around me to help me out. After coming to Goa, I have my team here who are even more friendly, I would say. So they helped me in finding a house, setting up things in my house. So my manager here, they are all very friendly, very helpful people.
Damn nice. Tell me, आपका जो पोजीशन है, आपका जो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें.
मेरा जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है की अकाउंट मैनेजर फॉर द गोवा लोकेशन. So as a key account manager, मैं यहाँ chains handle करती हूँ, which are regional chains, 60 plus properties. Some have 200 plus properties in Goa itself. So ये chains के साथ मेरा अभी फिलहाल introduction meetings हुए हैं अभी तक, and उनके साथ मैं समझ रही हूँ कि उनका experience क्या है. Not all were from the travel background or something. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो retired people है, जो अपना business चालू करते हैं after being retired. Also, when it comes to relationship management with them, we have to understand their pain points. We have to provide them better service in comparison with the competition. But majorly I can say is relationship management, which is very interesting, because you get to understand people, their stories. So yes.
बहुत खूब, क्योंकि आप लोगों से मिलते हैं, आप नई जगह देखते हैं, आपकी अपनी आइडियाज आती हैं, आप वो भी शेयर करती हैं, and you can also bring about changes. That's amazing. So Vatsalya, Goa is one place you're exploring every day because that's also part of your job. But tell me about other cities that you have explored in this country.
In terms of work, I have been in Mumbai. I have studied from Pune. I was there for like 2 years of post-graduation and 2 years of my job in Maharashtra. So there were a lot of treks which I've been part of. Monsoons especially, वो बहुत सुंदर जगह बन जाता है. 2 hours drive away from Pune or Mumbai, you have very beautiful places to explore. काफी लोग मिलते हैं वहाँ पे who are also trek enthusiasts. Adventurous treks I came across in Maharashtra. One will be the Kalsubai peak, which I would say is the highest peak of Maharashtra, and that is the most thrilling trek which I've been part of. उसके अलावा नॉर्थ में भी थोड़ा बहुत घूमिया था मैंने. अमृतसर, चंडीगढ़, दिल्ली. Amritsar, I would say, was very beautiful. The Wagah border, the feel which that place gives, the goosebumps which I felt there was another level. And I'm a South Indian. I'm from Visakhapatnam. मतलब पूरा बचपन मैंने South तो काफी घूम लिया है. Like if you say Madurai and Kanyakumari, maybe Kerala, Mysore, Bangalore, Konark and Puri. All such places I have traveled a lot with my family when I was a kid.
तो मतलब आप जिंदगी भर तो काफी ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं, तो आपको ऐसी नौकरी में तो आना ही था कभी न कभी.
हाँ, आना ही था.
चलिए, गोवा तो एक डेस्टिनेशन है जो अब एक्सप्लोर कर रही है, पिछले 1 महीने से यहाँ पर है. घर भी ढूंढ लिया है. द टीम मेंबर्स आर सो हेल्पफुल. वो कह रही हैं इंश्योरेंस बैकग्राउंड के बावजूद यहाँ पर आने के बाद इतना कुछ सीखने को मिला है पिछले 2 महीनों में सिंस शी जॉइंड MMT. अब मुझे बताइए, ये सारी जगह आप अपने देश में घूम चुकी हैं, साउथ तो जा ही चुकी है क्योंकि यू आर अ साउथ इंडियन, जैसे आपने कहा वात्सल्य. रियली अ वेरी फुलफिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज इट चेंजेस योर व्यू अबाउट लाइफ. तो अगर इंडिया को हमें एक अलग नजरिए से किसी को दिखाना है तो आप सजेस्ट क्या करोगी किसी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर को? मुझे टॉप 3 चीजें बताइए, उनको क्या करना चाहिए.
Someone coming from outside India, of course they'll have a different experience abroad, but in India the kind of waterfalls, the kind of mountain hilly areas we have, they are very beautiful. तो मेरे को लगता है कि यहाँ पे जो क्राउड है, यहाँ पे जैसे लोग मिलते हैं ना, तो दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड डेफिनेटली लोकल फूड, लोकल लोग, उनसे ही तो पता चलता है कि देश का क्या अलग एक्सपीरियंस है. फूड हर जगह जहाँ पे भी जाए, मतलब इफ यू गो टू मुंबई डेफिनेटली हैव द वड़ा पाव देयर, हैव पाव इन पुणे, है ना. तो दैट इज व्हाट एनरिचेस योर एक्सपीरियंस इज व्हाट आई थिंक.
इंडिया में इतनी डाइवर्सिटी है, हर कहीं आप जाओगे तो वहाँ के लोगों से मिलो, वहाँ का खाना खाओ, आपको ऑप्शंस और चॉइसेस मिलती है और वेरिएशंस मिलता है कि आप खुश हो जाते हो कि एक ही देश में इतने सारे डिफरेंसेस होने के बावजूद भी एक साथ रहते हैं और घुल मिलकर रहते हैं. एंड दैट इज द ब्यूटी रियली ऑफ इंडिया एंड द ओनली कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड दैट कैन ऑफर यू दैट. तो वात्सल्य, आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस रैपिड फायर राउंड?
आई गेस सो.
The rapid fire round.
सबसे पहले, who is your celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush is Surya. He's a Tamil actor. I don't know if you know.
Of course you know him. Very good. अच्छा, एक शब्द बताना जो आपको सुनने में बड़ा मजा आता है. It's like your favorite word.
This lady says in "ए दिल है मुश्किल वातावरण." The vibe is my favorite word.
The vibe, yeah, it's interesting. अच्छा, आप किसे बहुत ज्यादा टेक्स्ट करती है, मैसेजेस लिखती रहती है?
So there's a girl, she's my best friend since 11th standard. So she's my go-to person. Everything I want, I'm happy or I want to rant about or I want to cry, I give her a call and yeah. She's Saranya. She's my best friend.
How sweet. आपका favorite type of music क्या है?
Favorite type is I mostly listen to classic Bollywood. And also classic Telugu songs. I am from Andhra, so Telugu is my go-to playlist. Yes.
Very very nice. मुझे बताइए, अगर बकेट लिस्ट में 3 जगह है जहाँ पर आपको जाना है इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप, तो ये 3 कौन सी जगह है?
One will be Paris, of course. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. The second would be New Zealand, Auckland, घूमना है मेरे को, and Australia, Sydney and other places in Australia. These 3 are the first things in my bucket list.
How nice. Okay, tell me one thing in your purse that you carry with you everywhere you go.
I think it is like, okay, I have a photograph of my family. So that's one thing which I carry, apart from other cards and all stuff.
But that is so sweet. That is so touching. मुझे बताइए, आपके सुपर हीरो कौन है?
Super, I love Batman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Even I wish I had a Batmobile. I wish I can serve the
travel. I know, right? Traveling in style. That'll be so cool. Okay, what is the one beautiful memory you have from all the trips that you've made so far in your life? One beautiful memory that always stays with you.
Kalsubai trek, which I mentioned. So during that trek, I went with my ex-colleagues there, and we were actually posing for a photograph, looking at the sky, and that was when we came across a shooting star.
Ooh.
So we saw shooting stars. So that was like the icing on the cake during that trip, and that was very beautiful.
क्या बात है. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the rapid fire round.
Yes, definitely.
बधाई हो आपको for being a part of the MMT family, because this is a place that you're going to learn so much more and explore the world absolutely with a new lens. So all the very best. Once again, thank you and see you soon.
Thank you so much, Annie.
This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. I was with Vatsalya Vanapalli. I'm your host Annie, yes, and I'll be catching you soon. Ciao.
ਅਗਲਾਵਾ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਣ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਪਸੂੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਹਿਰ ਬਣੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੀ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਉਣਾ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਦਿਲ ਬਾਂਗ ਬਾਂਗ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਕਰਾਇਆ ਕਾਗਾ ਬੋਲ ਕੇ ਦੱਸ ਜਾਵੇ ਦੇਵਾਂ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੀ ਚੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਬਾਵਾਂ ਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੁਕਾਵਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਰੋਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਢੋਲ ਜੁਦਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਖਬਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਣੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਈਆਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ
Good morning, make my trip. This is Virinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.